Hello, my name is Dani Schenone, and this is part 7 of a 10-part series. We started from our toes, working all the way up to now our shoulders. So you won't need any props today for this practice. It'll be a quick 10-minuter. If you are utilizing my playlist, feel free to press play now, and let's get started. You will begin in child's pose, making your way there. I want you to make your knees as wide as they will possibly go, and big toes will touch. Bringing your forehead down to the mat, reaching your arms up long in front of you, pressing into the palms, softening the elbows down into the mat. Give your body a round of breath. Keeping your palm as wide as it possibly can go, bending into your right elbow and placing the palm at the nape of your neck. Feeling that soft, gentle opening inside of the shoulder and in the right triceps. And then unwind. Other side, bringing that left palm to the nape of your neck, finding that gentle opening on the left-hand side. And unwind. Pressing yourself up into a tabletop pose, shoulders over wrists, hips are over knees. Bring your left hand underneath the face. Inhale, right arm lifts up towards the sky. Exhale, thread the needle. So your right hand is going to come underneath your midline. Your right cheek or your right temple will make it to the mat. This top hand, this left hand can press into the mat, keeping the elbow bent. You can lengthen it towards the top of your mat. You can also take a half bind at the low back. Yogi's choice. I like to keep the elbow bent and to kind of cupcake my left hand so that I can look up towards the sky. It helps me to get more deeply into the right shoulder blade. You can also take this top hand, grabbing onto the bottom wrist and pull the wrist away from the midline. Breathe in, breathe out. Great, plant that top hand into the mat. Use your core here, unwind. Inhale, open up that right arm towards the sky. Exhale, lower down, other side. Right hand comes underneath your face. Inhale, left arm lifts up towards the sky. Exhale, thread the needle, left hand in towards that midline, in towards that midsection rather. And your right hand can stay planted. It can stretch out long. It can bind, can grab onto that wrist. I'm gonna pick my fave and go there. A few more moments here. Start to plant that right hand into the mat. Use your core here. Unwind. Inhale, left arm lifts up towards the sky. Exhale, come back into your tabletop pose. This is the first time that I'm recording my kittens in the room, and they're really showing their A game, I think. All right, so we're here in this tabletop pose. Curl your toes into the mat. Lift your hips up, downward facing dog. Give your head and neck a shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. And then find stillness in your downward facing dog. Noticing your heels, they're probably not on the mat. That's okay. I want you to walk your hands towards the back of your mat so that your heels touch. Now, if you're like me, the legs will be lengthened. You can also bend the knees and lift the heels slightly up off the mat. The idea here is to just shorten your downward facing dog, and then take your right hand, grab onto the outside of your left ankle or left calf or left thigh. You can do any level that works for you. Bending this right elbow, looking underneath your left armpit. Give yourself a D-O-B-O check. Can you let go of your neck? Unwind, other side. Bend this left elbow, look underneath your right armpit. D-O-B-O, check. Nice, nice, nice. Unwind, come back into your OG downward facing dog. Inhale, plank pose. Exhale, right knee into your chest. Pull it through, low lunge, back knee softens, uncurl back toes. Walk your hands up to your front thigh. Inhale, lift your arms up to the sky. Exhale, bend your left elbow, grab onto it with the opposite hand, and lean over to the right. Can you press your neck into your left forearm? Can you lift your chin up off your chest? Goose, your tongue is sticking out. What are you doing, girl? Release your hands, lift them up, breathe in. Breathe out, both hands on either side of that front foot. Curl back toe, lift back knee. Inhale, plank pose. Exhale, downward facing dog, bending into each knee. Next, inhale, plank pose. Exhale, left knee comes into your chest. Pull it through, low lunge, back knee softens, uncurl those back toes. Hands walk up towards your front thigh. Inhale, arms come up towards the sky. Exhale, bend your right elbow, pull onto it with the opposite hand, lean over towards the left. Can you press your neck into your right forearm? Can you lift the chin up off the chest? Big inhale. Slow exhale. Breathe in, arms lift up towards the sky. Breathe out, both hands on either side. Curl that back toe, lift that back knee. You know the drill. Inhale, plank pose. Exhale, downward facing dog. Now on your next inhale, look forward. And then on your exhale, make your way to the top of your mat. Forward fold, crown of the head softens down towards the mat. Shake your head yes and no. And find some stillness here. Now I want you to bend deeply into your left knee. Bring your left hand underneath your face. You can have that cupcake hand if you want. Inhale, right arm lifts up towards the sky. Take some circles with the wrist. Exhale, hold. Inhale, can you open up, stack top shoulder over bottom shoulder even more. Exhale, lower down. Other side, right hand comes underneath the face. Bend this right knee. Inhale, left arm lifts up towards the sky. Exhale, you hold, taking those circles. Inhale, can you open up the chest, stacking top shoulder over bottom a little bit more. Exhale, lower down, forward fold. Now, heel toe your feet as wide as hips with distance, or actually even wider. Let's go with as wide as the mat. And then take a deep bend into your knees. Soften the crown of your head down towards the mat. Take your hands and clasp them behind your back. And then try to bring your wrists towards the top of your mat. And then can you lengthen your legs a little bit more? Now, dropping your right shoulder down, bending right knee, look to the left. Oh my gosh. Come back to center. Bend left knee, drop left elbow down, look to the right. Come back to center. Let's do that again, one more. Come back to center. Other side. Come back to center. Release your hands down towards the mat, heel toe your feet back into hips with distance. On an inhale, halfway lift, flatten your back, hands to shins or your thighs, softening the shoulders down the back, engaging that low core, shooting the tailbone out behind you, shifting your weight into the toes. Breathe in, breathe out, forward fold. Inhale, root to rise, arms come up, stand tall, lift your hands up towards the sky. Exhale, hands come to your heart center. Shifting your weight into this right foot, left knee comes up into your chest, and then hook left leg over right, coming into eagle wrap, either single or double wrap. Arms come out to a cactus, inhale. Exhale, left hand goes underneath right, taking eagle wrap. Now I will face you so you can see what's going on here. I'm cueing what's opposite, what you're seeing opposite now because I'm facing you, but my left knee is over the right leg and my right arm is over the left arm. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. All right, let's unwind. Shake, shake, shake. Shake it all out. Shake, shake, shake. Let's do the other side. Shift the weight into this left foot. Right knee comes into your chest. I keep my hands on my belly just to make it easy on me. Go ahead and take that single or double wrap with the legs. Arms come out to a cactus. And then bring your left arm over your right eagle wrap. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Unwind, shake it out, shake, shake, shake. Inhale, arms lift up towards the sky. Exhale, dive down, flat back, forward, fold. Breathe in, halfway lift. Breathe out, plant your palms, step back into plank pose, and then into tabletop pose. Sitting back onto your heels, turning towards the long side of your mat, we'll come into a wide leg. As wide as your legs will go, I want you to point your toes, flex your toes, point and flex. Now bring your hands back to that cactus, wrapping your right arm over your left. I'll mirror you this time. Now, can you inhale, pull the elbows away from you, so out long in front of you, and then exhale, pull them down. Maybe you bring your chest down as well, hinging at the hip. Breathing in, breathing out. Now, how do we get out of this? Well, try to use your core. So engage those hips, lift the core up, engage the quads, unwind. Other side. Arms come out to that cactus. Left arm comes over right this time. Inhale, pull the elbows away from you. Exhale, lower them down. Maybe you hinge at the hips, lower all the way down. All right, let's plan our escape. Engage the hips, engage those quads, lift that core up, inhale, exhale, unwind, bringing your legs into crisscross or Baddha Konasana, soles of the feet together, knees out wide. Good breath in, lift your arms up towards the sky. And a breath out, hands come to heart center. Thanking yourself for dedicating time out of your day to movement. You absolutely deserve it. And we'll see you next time. Thank you so much. See you next week.